In the vibrant streets of Italy, you can find small bistros selling the most fragrant, freshly baked flatbread. Focaccia Genovese, more commonly known as focaccia, marked by its finger-sized holes on its surface, is truly an Italian dish with roots all over Europe. Focaccia started in Genova, the capital of Liguria, Italy, and has always been a staple since the 13th century. Despite its long history, it's so easy to make. To make the focaccia, add together in a large mixing bowl 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Whisk that all up, then make a well in order to add your 2 cups of warm water. Once all of that is mixed in together, you can add your olive oil, making sure that all of the surface area is covered. You want it to be drenched. Then, find a moist towel to cover it up for at least 12 hours. Before, in Italy, they would leave it outside their house, but in modern times, they don't do that anymore. Minimum time for this is 12 hours, but you can go as far as 3 days. I, however, don't wait that long. So, after 12 hours, here is our focaccia fully risen. All its beautiful glory, there is our dough. You'll have to use 2 forks in order to scrape the sides of the bowl so you can transfer it later. In the meantime, feel free to get some herbs, some tomatoes, or some garlic in order to put on top. Then, you can transfer the dough in your well-oiled baking dish. Make sure to spread the dough in all 4 corners of the dish. After, put olive oil all over the top again. Then, finally do what focaccia is known for and add little indents or dimples in the dough. Have fun with it. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Now, here's a small little fact about the bread. Focaccia originated from the wheat bread in the Roman Empire, which was also a flatbread that inspired many countries across Europe, from the Etruscans, the Greeks, and to Egyptians who created pita. Back to the bread we're making, you have to make it rest for at least 20 minutes, then preheat the oven as well. After the 20 minutes, pop it in the oven and wait for it to bake for at least 30 minutes. There you go, the easiest bread you'll ever make. This focaccia is gorgeous, it's salty, it's sweet, it has a lot of air pockets, and it's just a wonderful crunch to any dish. Traditionally, in the small city of Genova in Italy, focaccia is enjoyed alongside their breakfast with their coffee in the morning. But nowadays, focaccia is being enjoyed by tourists and locals alike throughout the day. And you can usually find it along the streets of Milan, Florence, being served with ham, cheese, and a bunch of different fillings. It goes to show how innovative this bread can be. Salute!
Let me taste it first. If it's really crunchy. I hope it's crunchy. It's good for vinaigrette and olive oil with parmesan.
Yes, go try it.
Oh,
Wow!
yeah, it's crunchy. You can feel the crunch. Yeah. I like it.
Thank you. Tikman mo nga. Tapos bigyan mo ako rating. 1 to 10.
Pagkakain ko?
Oo.
Try mo. Ang rate nito ay 8.
Huwag mo naman i-coach ma. Go.
Ang rate nito ay 9.
Wow!